As a manufacturer, Optilumen's primary goal has always been to provide our end users with the most efficient, most reliable, and most cost-effective retrofit solution possible. The RKT series has proven to offer the best long-term return on investment of any retrofit product on the market today, bar none. However, we understand that as a distributor, providing the most efficient, most reliable, best long-term return on investment product is only part of your equation. You also need to be concerned about your profit margin as well. In the past, this has presented you, as a distributor, with a very difficult decision. Either sell a vastly inferior retrofit solution, i.e. LED tubes, and maintain your profit margin, or sell the RKT with its incredible efficiency and longevity and possibly sacrifice some of your bottom line. No more. Introducing the new Economy Retrofit series from Optilumen, the RKS. This new product boasts all of the same features that make the RKT a great product. Thermally conducive rare earth magnetically backed strips and driver for easy, fast installation. And the RKS has nearly the same efficiency as the RKT. Your price-conscious customers no longer need to sacrifice quality for affordability. Incredibly, the RKS has a price point that is at or below the cost per fixture as tubes. Therefore, you will maintain your margin while providing a much better retrofit solution for your customers. Optilumen is on your team. Say no to LED tubes and begin to provide the best retrofit solution available to your customers. Talk to your representative today to find out how you can begin to carry this amazing new product.